name is Tabitha Vu, and I teach chemistry and forensics here at Taylor High School. This is my 18th year teaching science. All of my lessons are housed on Canvas. You'll find that we are using our own lesson plans that we've used in the past, and we are turning them into virtual plans and not just piecemealing things from the random internet. Our goal is to engage our students in science as visually and hands-on as we possibly can, even given our times with the pandemic. My office hours are from 11:02 a.m. to 11:50 a.m., which is considered fourth period on our regular bell schedule day. Here's a link to a parent sign-in form. You can type in the link or you can scan the QR code, and I'll get back to you with answers to any questions that you may have asked. Hi, for my forensics classes, everything can be found on Canvas. So you'll see here when a student is logged in, there's modules, the Zoom link, hack, and attendance. So when we go to the modules, it brings us to absolutely everything that needs to be completed and turned in. So here we're in week 4, and you'll see it tells you the date, and under the date are all of the activities that should be completed for that day. And then we go to Wednesday the 9th, and then there's all the activities that should be completed for that day. So if at any point somebody is absent or sick at home, then everything is on Canvas, and everything is simultaneous between what we do in the classroom and what is on Canvas. So if you have any questions at any point in time, please feel free to email me. Thanks for coming and watching, and I absolutely hope to have a fun and successful year in forensics with your kids. Thank you.